Okay, here's what we need done. This is where the new deck goes. It's going to have a grade up to the retaining wall. Right now, there's too much dirt up on the retaining wall. Got, I don't know, a foot and a half of dirt needs to go down. All the dirt will be moved under the house. Might need a smaller tractor for that. We rented one before. And then along our walkway, we also need this graded up to where the cars are. Way too much dirt still here. Top of that, on the top side of the retaining wall, we need this filled in. So, another spot where dirt can go. So, that's it. That's all I can think of for now. Okay.